Hello everyone, this is Afsana. In this video, I'm going to share about what is mobile commerce. Mobile commerce is a emerging discipline which involves different applications or the mobile device or middleware and the wireless network. In addition to any of the devices, the wireless constraints, this also be impacted independently with the help of mobile commerce of wireless infrastructure. Okay, so it is a framework that has different levels. It could be of the development of framework which enables or the development of goods and services, maybe building in the an updated lifestyle. M-commerce, that is nothing but a mobile commerce, is a buying and selling goods and services through wireless handled devices such as smartphones, tablet. It's a form of e-commerce only, which enables the users to access the online shopping platform without needing to use a desktop computer. That's all. Okay. So when I talk about the meaning, proper meaning, and how it is going to be connect e-commerce, what is, as you all know that about e-commerce, which means you can buy things online without going to a shop. Any business activity conducted over the wireless telecommunication network. So e-commerce has become necessary for any business to get the goods sales over internet. Nowadays, mobile companies invent new smartphones nowadays. So the users can get into information online on any cell phones also. So it is very easy to prepare the same with the help of the same coding and then convert that to your mobile application where the customer can access to it. So mobile commerce from the customer's point of view is like the customer wants to access information, goods and services anytime and in any place on his mobile phone, right? So when that customer access to the mobile device to purchase, it could be of a ticket for an event or the public transport or paying what is that parking or to download a content or even order the books and CDs, anything it could be, it is appropriately offering the payment method also. So there they can range from a secure mobile micropayment to any of the service subscriptions. So as a provider, as a mobile commerce providers, as a application, and you have an application which you are giving as an inbuilt in your in your mobile phone or as in your device, or you're giving access to your customers to download in a Google Play or any of the Play Store. There, the future development of the mobile telecommerce sector is heading more and more towards the value added services. Okay, the analyst is like forecasting that soon half of the mobile operators revenues will be earned through the mobile commerce. Subsequently, the operators as well as third party providers will focus on the value added services to enable mobile services, mobile service providers with the experts on different sectors will be able to cooperate with the help of this. The innovative service scenario will also be needed to meet the customer's expectation and the business building to create a business model that satisfy all the partners involved in that particular business. What is the story behind the mobile commerce? It was first delivered in 1997, when the first two mobile phones were enabled in Coca-Cola vending machine, were installed in the Finland. Since it has been launched in the iPhone, the mobile commerce has moved away from SMS, the SMS system, and into an actual application. So earlier it was utilized in some other format, then it was converted to an SMS system, and then slowly it moved on to an Android system also. So anywhere, anytime, applications of a mobile commerce, so that the device are ideally and accessing personal information and receiving targeting messages for a particular customers. So any consumers will be able to access to it through mobile commerce. Companies can also establish one-to-one marketing relationship with an individual consumers anytime, anywhere. It is possible to connect with one person. So I'm able to connect with you directly, or the consumer can able to reach the companies directly. One-to-one is easy for a business only with the help of the mobile commerce. The most successful mobile commerce application suits the local conditions and the people habits and the preferences also. For example, banking, stock trading, information services, retail advertisements. It could be of all this, which is connecting you anywhere, anytime. Correct? Then which takes over? This mobile commerce is actually taking over e-commerce. Nowadays, people are not even going to the website. They are using an application which is very much easy for them to access. So it is very much easy to access anytime, on the go. Localization anywhere, right? Then it is very much convenient than a system, because you need to switch on a laptop and then browse it, go to the website. If it is a mobile phone, you get a notification also. So it is easy connectivity. You are able to connect personally to your device, and it is also a form of innovation that can create a new business opportunity to reach and attract the customer. It is also more secure, like how we are using e-commerce. There are several applications we have it. It starts from the money transfer. You transfer money, Google Pay, Paytm, right? And mobile ATM. Here also again, you are using us anytime money transfer. And then if you want to book a ticket, mobile ticketing, mobile vouchers, coupons, and loyalty cards, you'll be able to access when you're connecting to your mobile number or any of your cards, smart cards. Then mobile banking. If you have an account, you will be able to access with your mobile phone. You just receive a message. You'll be able to pay every month bill. If you are paying, you'll get a notification stating that you are due this month, right? So then the mobile brokerage, and then auctions, browsing, purchases, marketing, advertising, mobile wallet. There are uncountable, which you have still more to go in the mobile phone. So early content of an applications have all been geared around the information delivered, but as time moves on, the accent will also be moving. Means it will be a revenue generation. So these are the different sectors which we can find, right? Which we can find it in entertainment, in communication, information, transaction. It could be of any kind of applications we will be able to access, which is connected to mobile commerce. So there are applications similar to your e-commerce, connecting business to business, business to customers, customers to customers directly also, and then having a mobile commerce also. It's being used in the retailer or wholesaler or manufacturing sector or marketing, investment, finance, or auction, anything which related to a business model which is already connected to a mobile commerce. This financial applications, that is your mobile banking. The technology is enabling the cardholders to make purchase with a single click with help of mobile commerce. That is a wireless bill payment to pay your bills and shopping, which is increasing the online vendors, allow the consumers or customers to shop from the wireless devices, enables your customers to use the cell phones or the wireless um, accounts, right? So you are not able to default your amount. You're able to search it quickly, compare your prices. You're able to keep it in a cart, then order, check your status when you place an order, right? So it is possible to have a target marketing also, like having a target advertising. So marketer sends the user, that is end user, as a customer, specifically advertising the messages to the wireless devices. The location and the sensitivity of the mobile device will also be secure. That particular mobile portal, which is also interacting with the content or the services for the mobile users, will also be enhancing the consumer service, which also improves the access to data and the employees, which is very often the comparison between the network as well as that is the website as well as the mobile commerce. Now it is also connected to your supply chain management. This wireless communication to share any kind of information as well as collaborating with the partners to reserve, to secure. By integrating the mobile computing service into a supply chain communication, it is possible to make the mobile reservation of the goods. Second, remotely check availability of goods. Third, the order of customized product from the manufacturing department, and then provide this secured access to a confidential financial data from the management information system. So this is between two different companies, so the data should be more secure. So the security of the data will be possible even with your mobile commerce. Okay, so mobile payment is most important thing which can offer as a standalone service. Mobile service could also be an important enabler service for other mobile commerce services. That is mobile ticketing, shopping, gambling, so on and so forth. It could improve your acceptance by making the service more secure and user friendly also. In many cases, offering mobile payment method is the only case or the only chance that the service provider may have to generate the revenue, right? So this is one form of generating revenue for the business. The consumer must be informed of what is being bought. They receive a message what they're buying, right? So once you place an order, you receive a message. Then how much to pay, how much you're going to pay. There are different options to pay, right? And then the payment must be made. Once the payment is made, it has to be traceable. If by mistake anything happened, that amount has to be transferred back to your account. All these are in one particular whole. Okay. In next video, we will see in detail about the process how